It's currently 5:53 a.m. and this is a different shirt, not the same shirt. Okay, Star Wars. Oops. Star Wars. Oops. Star Wars. Choose. I spelled choice. Okay, choose your destiny. Decide your destiny. A series of choose your own adventure books that started in July 2009. Now that is wrong because they have the first the Clone Wars, the first Decide Your Destiny book, and it came out, and the copyright is 2008. There's the Decide Your Destiny section. But if that's the first Decide Your Destiny book, then what are the other ones? Select your country. United States. The other button says rest of the world. As if the entire rest of the world doesn't matter.
I can hear you.
Oh.